Welcome back to AI Arena. Forget everything you know about online shopping because today we're diving into Gensmo, which now includes the new powerful model Nano Banana, the AI that lets you try on clothes digitally in seconds. No awkward fitting rooms, no guessing sizes, just instant virtual fashion that actually works. This tech is changing how we shop and you need to see it. Let's dive in. So let's jump right in. Imagine a world where trying on clothes isn't awkward or clunky. Gensmo's new model, Nano Banana, steps in with its cutting-edge body landmark detection. This means when you try on clothes digitally, they fit naturally, almost like they were tailor-made for you. No more weird, glitchy try-ons. With Nano Banana, it's smooth and seamless. Picture a side-by-side comparison where traditional try-ons look stiff and robotic. But with Nano Banana, it's like magic. The clothes just fit. Now, let's talk about how this all works. Picture this. You've got your phone out and you're ready to see how that new jacket looks on you. With Nano Banana, you simply fire up the app and in no time, you're seeing a perfect fit right on your screen. It's quick, it's easy, and it's fun. And hey, even if you're not a tech wizard, you'll feel like one. For those of you who are into tech, you might know about tools like Google Shopping, Doppel, and Gensmo. Well, Nano Banana is already part of Gensmo, making it even smoother to use. It's like having a whole fashion ecosystem at your fingertips. While Google's tools are super functional, they can feel a bit cold. Gensmo, on the other hand, bring a sense of style and social interaction. It's like having an AI fashion agent that helps you not just with individual items, but with complete outfit styling. You can even share your looks, start challenges, and interact with friends in the community. It's the kind of shopping experience that Gen Z is all about. Now, let's talk faces. Ever tried those AI models in Google Shopping? They can look a bit stiff, right? Like almost mannequin-like. But with Gensmo, the faces are natural and human-like. It's a completely different vibe. Think of it as real versus fake vibes, and we all know which one we'd prefer. And it's not just about one feature. Gensmo offers a system-level upgrade that makes the whole shopping experience smoother. From the try-on to the checkout, it feels like a breeze. Let's do a quick live demonstration how it works. Here, you can basically chat with Gensmo. I'm asking autumn trends for 2025, and I also attach my photo. Now Gensmo is doing its magic and suggesting Dolce & Gabbana coat and other fitting accessories for me. I can refine results further. Let's go for casual day out look. And it's figuring the perfect approach here and combining everything into a perfect fit. Now it gave me updated list and we can do virtual try on with this new look. I love it. Olive tones are huge for 2025. A young, relaxed vibe, perfect for this fall. What do you think, guys? I love it. Let's post it and share. So here's the big picture. AI shopping is going in two directions. You've got Google focusing on e-commerce tools, and then there's products like Gensmo that are creating a fashion playground. It's up to you to decide. Do you want a cold, functional try-on feature, or do you want an AI stylist you can have fun with alongside your friends? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you're as excited as I am about the future of AI in fashion, make sure to check out Gensmo, try Nano Banana in Gensmo, and see what the buzz is all about. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.
How do you always look so stylish?
Oh, I just used the new Gensmo app. It allows me try on outfits.
Okay, let's try this one. Ooh, I like this. What about something for the evening? Perfect.